Before first use, check the accessories. Some models may be equipped with double-layer filters. Please refer to the actual product for details. Fill the water tank below the max mark. After powering on, press the coffee button to enter the preheating mode. The indicator light turns to orange. The coffee indicator flashes. When the coffee indicator stops flashing, the preheating is completed. Execute the double cup procedure to discharge the hot water, rinsing the inside coffee pipeline. Then anti-clockwise rotate the knob to rinse the inside steam pipeline. Reset the knob. The internal pre-cleaning is completed.